And now I'm going to the homework, and the homework this time is really homework because we have no internet, but it's individual work for everyone. So this means that I'm asking each of you to do a little bit of work, but you need to coordinate in your team, because in the end the result of your explorations are explorations for the team. So you have to agree on split the categories. So if you are a team of 5 people, 4 of you choose a different one, and the 5th of the team has a free choice, right? Or can decide to look at more than one. And there's one team with 3, so, well, at least you take 3 different, and you could even decide to look at more than one. So I think it pays off, because all 4 criteria sometimes are relevant, right? But I want the team to see the whole spectrum, and then you can make your conclusions as a team. But I want each of you to focus on a single one, or 2 if this happens to be the case, right? So in the team you discuss, you decide who's going to do what. Okay? So only consider your own criterion, or 2 if you choose 2. Take your team website as it is today. Right? So I hope you can do this early enough, but we'll find out if there's internet, otherwise we'll find something else. Answer all relevant questions. You need not answer all questions. You could answer no questions, then you get no patterns, so maybe you should answer a couple of them, but find out and skip non-relevant questions. So be sure you are the boss. The machine is not the boss in asking questions, you are the boss in deciding where to answer and where not to answer. And you can answer and then change your mind and say, I said yes, it will be no. Or you can say, I said yes, I will not answer the question, I take it off. You are the boss, right? So, and then you find design patterns that you could apply, and you choose 2 patterns that you like most. 2 patterns that you say, wow, that's a good idea. Okay? Maybe the system provides you with 8 patterns. Look at them and decide which 2 you think are the best for your case. Okay? So be the boss of design. The system will help you to explore. The system cannot dictate what to do. You decide. Okay? That's very important here. So, I hope next time each of you will have a 5-minute 4-slide about the presentation. 4 slide means could be 5, could be 3, but the 5 minutes for your own criteria. So the section that you consider. Tell me which questions are relevant and which are not, which depends on your website, the website of your client. So you tell me, this is why I said yes, this is why I didn't answer the question. Briefly. Describe your favorite patterns that the wizard suggested you. And tell me what would be the impact on your design. And I'm still not saying you should include the patterns in your web design, but just tell me what would be, how would your design change if you actually would apply the patterns. And maybe you decide, yes, I'm going to take, maybe you decide, it's a nice idea, but I won't do it. But at least describe it. Right? So, which questions did you answer, why, or which questions did you skip? What are the 2 best suggestions that you found, that you liked most, and how would it impact your design? So, a 5-minute presentation, about 4 slides. Okay? And then we have all individually worked with the wizard, which means that as a designer we have explored, we got suggestions, and we decide whether to take them or not. Because you are the designers. The system is just a machine, but the system is made to help you explore. Okay? So, for this morning. Because we have no internet yet, continue working on your design as far as still needs to be improved or expanded, and continue working on your document. And after lunch, which is at 3 p.m., at 3 p.m. we will be here again, and then we will decide, depending on the internet, what will be the next step. And for now, as a group, just do these two things. Okay? Questions?